also Aztec sounds like Spanish, because I'm thinking like Plaza Azteca, like that's a Spanish restaurant. The logic is so dumb, but like. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you are new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. As you can see by the title, I will be doing Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? And I'm kind of nervous about it because it's a BuzzFeed quiz, and usually BuzzFeed quiz are usually like American quiz. I haven't taken it yet or anything, so it's here. I'll be screen recording it so that I could get it on the screen and you could see how I actually do, so you guys don't think I'm cheating or anything, because either way I'm probably gonna look stupid, but whatever. So let's get into the video. Hey, I'm excited. Are y'all? Also, I'll be doing a Jamaican edition with Simone from Jody and Simone, so Simone, be ready, because you know I'm gonna win anyways. So but anyways, let's get into the video. So guys, I had to put my phone on airplane mode and everything. So now that it's on airplane mode and I silenced some notification, I will start the quiz. Okay. And the screen recording is starting. Yep, it started. So it says, are you smarter than a 5th grader? Prove it. Trivia for adults that children know the answers to. How will you do? Hey, do you remember the original Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? Apparently it's been revived and is currently hosted by John Cena. Okay, I don't need to read all that. Blah, 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 blah. So let's find out. Are you smarter than a 5th grader? And it's like this. The first question. If a car is traveling at 40 miles per hour, how long will it take to go 190 miles? 40 miles per hour and you going 190 miles. So 190 divided by 4 is, let's see. The answers are 4 hours and 45 minutes, 4 hours and 15 minutes, 3 hours and 30 minutes, and 3 hours and 15 minutes. I think it's 4 hours, because 40 and 40 is 80. It's 4 hours and 45 minutes. And yay, I got that right. This one, it says, true or false? The following picture is of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. True or false? I think I've seen a Rex in like movies, and to me, I don't remember seeing those like weird things on the back of it. So I'm gonna say false. I don't know. I don't think they teach us in school, do they? I don't know. I got that right because, you know, I am smarter than a 5th grader. Okay, let's see. It is a Stegosaurus. Let me not pronounce anything. How many nouns are in the following sentence? The rabbits. Rabbit is a noun. Branch to the cafeteria. I think cafeteria is a noun. And ate a big salad. Salad is a noun. So let's say 3. The rabbit. Yay, I got it! What unit of measurement is abbreviated OZ? It's ounces. I knew that. Guys, I used to sell at a market. Well, I didn't used to sell at a market. I used to help my aunt sometimes. So yeah, I had to know that. Come on. I got it right. Okay, true or false? The human shoulder is a ball of socket. Is a ball and socket joint. Ball and socket. I think it's true, because like I would say like right here is probably a ball, and then this is the socket right here. Like this is part over here is the ball, and then here's the socket. I don't know. I'm gonna guess true. True. I got it right. Woo! Which one of these is a mammal? A seahorse? I don't think so. A sea lion or a sea urchin? Wow, they all see stuff, right? I'm going to say a sea lion. I think. I don't know. I got it right! Oh my gosh! Okay, let's see. Which continent is the least populated? So you have Asia, Antarctica, Australia, Europe. Asia has a lot of people. Australia has a lot of people. Europe has a lot of people. So by method of elimination, I'm going to say Antarctica because it's an ice box, right? Antarctica. Got it. Since the late 1930s, what calendar date has been designated for the inauguration of the United States president? It's January 20th. But the thing is, if I didn't get that right, I feel like it would have been fine because like this is American history. Like doesn't mean I know it. You know what I'm saying? I guess whatever. But I got it right. And the initial of the federal agency known as NASA, what does the first A stand for? So NA, what's the A after the N stands for? You have American Aero, I can't pronounce that word, Association and Administration. So NASA, what does that stand for? I never thought about it. National Association of something something, or National Aeronautics. Let's go with air stuff. And yes, it is. What revolutionary leader wrote the influential Common Sense in 1776? What revolutionary leader wrote the influential Common Sense? I've never, like, what does that mean? Like, did he create the word, or like I don't understand. Like, I've never heard of common sense in the terms of history before. So John Locke, Thomas Paine, Abraham Lincoln, John Adams. So I'm gonna have to say Abraham Lincoln because that's the only person I know. I think I know John Adams, but I'm not quite sure. So I'm gonna say Abraham Lincoln. Thomas Paine, I don't know. I never heard of him. What was the name of the first satellite pulled into orbit by the United States? Explorer, Titans, Mercury, Apollo, Explorer, probably Titans, isn't it like Teen Titans or something? Mercury, that's a planet, right? Apollo, I'm not quite sure. So I'm gonna say Explorer, the first satellite pulled into orbit. I don't know. I'm gonna just go with Explorer. I'm not celebrating because I didn't really know. I just guessed it. Okay, the other one. Bonus question. Number 10. What ancient civilization built the Machu Picchu complex in Peru? Okay. Because how am I supposed to know that? Ancient civilization. Oh, it has. So you have Mayas, Incas, Aztecs, Zapos. I'm gonna say Mayas because like I feel like I've heard that before, but I'm not quite sure. So let's see, Mayas. Should I choose it or Aztecs? Because it's like Peru, so Aztec sounds like Spanish. Because I'm thinking like Plaza Azteca, like that's a Spanish restaurant. The logic is so dumb, but like, which one should I choose, guys? Mayas, Incas. I was so wrong. Either way, I was gonna get it wrong because I wasn't thinking of Incas because I've never heard of it. Bonus question number 2. What species can live on both water and land? Arthropods, amphibians, fish, birds. So fish can't live in, fish has to live in water. Birds I don't think they can live in water indefinitely. Like arthropods, I don't think so. I think it's amphibians. I think so. Let's see. Got it right. I failed even in, well, I didn't fail even in social biology and CXC because I never took it. I got 11 out of 13. Hey, I did good. Yes, you are smarter than a 5th grader, and that's on period. Somewhere Jeff Foxworthy is proud. Okay, all right, thank you so much. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm proud of myself. I actually didn't look that dumb. I'm actually surprised I did that good, to be honest, because I thought I was going to do really bad. But anyways, you gotta be confident in yourself, because I did 11 out of 13 and I did good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment down below if you have any more trivias you guys want me to try, or anything other than the Jamaican one that I will be trying soon. So let me know, guys. But until next time, peace. Love y'all.